Get acquainted with the 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, remote engine start, 4-cylinder engine, power passenger seat, backup camera, fog lamps. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.